South Africa has many languages, and when I say many I mean it. South Africa's lingua franca is English, which I mistakenly dubbed as the country's most spoken language in another video. It's actually spoken by only a third of the population, but is very widely used as a second language in the urban parts of the country. South Africa's biggest language is actually Zulu, having almost 6 million more speakers than English. Zulu is spoken by over 27 million South Africans, which is almost half of the country's entire population. Xhosa is a language that shares similarities with Zulu, as they are both Bantu languages and their ethnicities are close to each other. Xhosa and English have around the same number of speakers in South Africa, but English has slightly more speakers. Tsonga, Venda, Ndebele and Bele are also Bantu languages, but they're spoken by less people than these other two. I'm not gonna talk a lot about Afrikaans, as I've made a video about it, but I consider Afrikaans to be a language, and this language derivated from Dutch in colonial times and is mostly spoken by white South Africans nowadays, especially the ones with Dutch ancestry. Northern Sotho, or Pedi, is mostly spoken around Pretoria. Southern Sotho, or Sesotho, is Mkstly spoken around Bloemfontein, which is close to Pretoria. Sesotho is the national language of Lesotho, similar to Tswana being the national language of Botswana, but being spoken in parts of South Africa close to the border between both countries, and Swazi being spoken in Swaziland and parts of South Africa close to it. Other South African languages not mentioned in the country's constitution include Kalobedu, Simable, Savati, Fanakalo, a pidgin language used as a lingua franca by the mining industry back in the day, Tsotsitaal and Skampu. The fastest growing non-official language in South Africa is Portuguese, first spoken centuries ago by immigrants from Portugal and now by more recent immigrants from Angola and most notoriously Mozambique. Arabic and French are also growing in SA. French is spoken by immigrants and refugees from Francophone Central Africa and Arabic by Muslim South Africans. Recently, there have been attempts to restrict Dutch in the country. Maybe in the future these languages will be adopted as official languages there. Either way, thank you for watching this video. See you the next time.